What's up everybody, you know it's your boy there, back with another video guys, and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Guys, I hope you like, comment and subscribe and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright guys, as you guys can see, there is a new update. Open browser has launched a new update, and for all you guys out there who download Open browser, there is an update right now out. Guys, I want to thank you for watching my video. I want to thank you for clicking the thumbs up. I hope you like, comment and subscribe, and leave a message in the comment. So guys, today's video, I want to talk to you about something before that. As you guys can see in the last video that I make, I didn't upload video on YouTube for quite a while because I get a community guideline strike, so therefore I could not upload any videos on YouTube for a week. And the video that was strike with the community guideline was how to update apps on your smart cloud TV Imperial. That's the video. I was feeling a little bit down, but the encouragement of you guys, the message from you guys, I want to thank you for your support. Thank you for encouraging me to make great videos for you guys, and I hope you like the video and watch the entire video. And let's get into it now. Open browser guys. Open browser, have you if you're watching this video and you don't know how to get open browser, I will leave a link at the top of here showing you how to install open browser. Now when you install open browser, you will get the latest version, but this video is for those who already installed it and there's an update out. Now I don't know what the update holds or what. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright, first thing first, I installed open browser from Play Store. This is where I installed open browser from. Okay, this is where. So I'm gonna click on open place Google Play. Okay, I am working on a video guys, how to fix the Google Play not compatible with your app, with your TV. I'm working on it guys. I'm trying to find a way how to get it to work, and once it work on my TV guys, I know it will work on your TV, because I get a lot of message of people telling me that the app is not compatible with their TV. If it's not compatible with your TV, you should download the one that is compatible with your TV. You will have to look on the version of your TV and the model name, and then try to install from there. Now we're gonna go up here where you see this search icon, and we're gonna click on it. You could search on it, but it's gonna take too long. So let's highlight it, and we're gonna type in O. I just type in O and there it is. That is it right there. That is open browser, and there is a new update right now. So what we're gonna do, in order to update it, you will have to click on it. Alright, you will have to click on it and press it. Now when you press it guys, always read the full description. It might tell you what you have, what it installed, and what is there, or you should know what you're installing guys. That's what I'm basically saying. Alright, so we got some update right here. This is my first time looking at it also, And as you guys can see, this is the version right here, and you can see that it update July the 19th 2022. I've just gotten this. It was during this time I get the strike on my TV, on my YouTube channel, sorry. It was at this time I get that strike. And you can contact the developers at this is the developer stuff, okay, and it released long time ago. Now read the full description at your own discretion. Read it and get familiar with it and get used to it, okay guys. Now when you don't read it, you shall come off. When you come off, this download shouldn't take very long. You're gonna click on update right there. I'm gonna click update. I'm gonna wait for this thing to download. It shouldn't take very long. It's just an update, but it shouldn't take very long. And as I said, it shouldn't take very long. I'll wait for it. It's installing. You can see the bar right there. I don't know if you can see, but the bar is right there, okay. And yeah, so just watch it install, and there it is. It is finished. Now I don't want you guys to open it right here, because there's a issue with it. If you open it right here, not right here, but when you come off, you will come straight off. Okay, now if you install it, if you put it on the interface right here, it will remove. You won't see it. You will have to go back on the plus sign right here, highlight it and click on it, and then you will have to find back open browser, okay, and here it is, open browser, and we're gonna click OK, and it should pop back up right there on the interface, okay. All right, we're gonna click on it, and we're gonna wait for this thing to open. There it is. Give it a couple seconds. I'm not gonna skip out anything. I want you guys to see everything. Okay, and there it is. It's loading up. So just give it some seconds to upload, and let it render everything first. So it's rendering everything that you see right here. You will also see it's changing up there also. All right, now my my device, my Wi-Fi is using right now. I'm using my Wi-Fi right now, okay. No, I'm not scanning no QR code or nothing like that. Okay, let's go back. Nope. I got a message right here. It's a home page. Alright, let me see something here. Take me back to the home page right here. Okay. Oh, it want me to log in. I'm not gonna log in though. Okay, see, right here you can see the update right here. See the check for update, and you got the update right there. You got the cookie right there, and all these stuff that agree with the terms and agreement of this. Okay, so so guys, so just come off right here. Alright guys, so just come off, and it will carry you back right here. So we have updated to the latest version right here, guys. I did think I logged in, but I didn't log in. Okay, I think I did log in, but I did not. um these are the features that it has. I don't see the big update, but you know that it's update, okay? And yeah, you know that it's updated. So that's it. That is how you update Open Browser on your smart cloud TV Imperial. Open Browser new update. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, please hit that thumbs up, that like button. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And guys, I will see you in the next video.